Hey again, it's Shirley. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing a Passover get ready vlog. So let's just get on to the vlog. So right now, as you can probably tell, we have some cars, one left already, but we're doing just like this is part of our church, but it's in homes, so our catering woman from our church has graciously offered to give everybody food, so everybody's just carpooling at our house to pass out food and stuff for the Seder tonight. And let me show you everything that we've been cleaning. So like we have all our stuff. We had to polish like this and all the silverware since it's real silver and we don't use it that much. We have a bunch of food. No idea. Let's see. Oh, that looks like potatoes and the lamb. You gotta have that for Passover. My mom made a bunch of coloring things like here. There's one over there and one on the other wall. On the door for kids to color. One of the crafts that my mom and all of us did, our tradition is like make Hanukkah, or not Hanukkah, gosh, Passover boxes. So like the kids will put like red paint on the door for the door frame of the lamb's blood, and then we put sticks on the boxes, make like a Passover hut. My mom had me, we have a bunch of bandanas that we just got from like Hobby Lobby, and she had a thing where she's gonna put every tribe's name on there. So like there's Benjamin, Joseph, and then she's like, put art on it, and I was like, okay. And I have no idea what to do because I'm not an artist, but I just looked it up. So like Zebulun, their symbol is a boat or something. Joseph, they have like the wheat. Oh yeah, I'm not very good at face drawing, but that's Issachar. This one is, oh Dan, this one was one of my hardest. A snake does not very look like a snake, but this one is for, oh, Simeon, that one's like a small one. I tried to make them all different, but yeah, again, I'm not an artist really. This one, I have no idea what that was. I just copied the picture, but it looks kind of cool. Reuben. You know, guys, I'm so satisfied with this right now because I don't draw. This one was my favorite animal to draw. It's amazing. Naphtali. Sorry, guys, I have a cold. This one I kind of just shattered glitter on for a bear, like Judah, or gosh, lion. Why? I'm so tired. We have Asher, and that one is the tree. And we have Levi, and that one was just very plain squares, breastplate. And I didn't show you the first ones, I don't think. Oh, I showed you Benjamin. But this one was Gad, the tent. Looks okay. So those are the bananas. They're kind of just going to be spread out over everything. I'll get my schoolwork. And my little puppy. My puppy. Yes. Hi. I love my baby so much. And somebody else showed up. But that's kind of what they're doing. And my mom has all these decorations. Like I said, this is the other one. Say hello to the vlog. And she's just busy as ever. And yeah, I guess I'll just catch up if something new and exciting happens. What is up with my... It's so blurry. Okay, now it's not. Anyway. So yeah, keep posted.
Hi, how are you? If you were to say, what is Passover all about? Well, Passover, the bottom line is that the Lord Yeshua is the Passover lamb. He suffered and died for our Passover lamb. He is the Messiah, and that is why we celebrate Passover. Of course, we know that Passover is English and Pesach is Hebrew. And there you go. Why do you think he covered his eyes? Because God is so awesome. You're doing wonderful well. Yep. Thank you. Now I have some, the houses that you see, the little cardboard houses. I have one for Mr. Peter, if he wants to. Not a big person on showing my bare feet. You might not want to do that, but
Cute foot.
Too cute.
Where did you get these rings? Where does it look like it's from? Where does it look like? Yeah.
here we are. We're assuming that there are no boils on the chest.
Bye, girls. Nice work.
Bye.